Someone just took something from you, not with force, not with threats, with a smile, a pause, and one sentence you didn't know how to answer. That's negotiation, and it's happening to you every single day, at your job, in your salary, when you buy anything. Even when you say, okay, fine. Here's the uncomfortable part. The person who understands the game wins more of it, quietly. So let's break the game, not academically, practically, because most negotiations don't start with numbers. They start with control. First tactic, anchoring. Whoever says a number first sets the gravity. If someone offers you 30,000 rupees, your brain doesn't ask, what's fair? It asks, how far from 30,000 rupees can I push? That's the trap. The anchor isn't truth. It's a starting point that feels like truth. Second tactic, silence. The most powerful sentence in negotiation is no sentence. You say your price, then stop. Most people rush to fill silence. They justify. They discount themselves. The other person just waits and watches you negotiate against yourself. Third tactic, the flinch. You've seen it. You say your price. They react instantly. That's too high. No explanation, just emotion. It's not logic. It's theater, because humans adjust faster to discomfort than to facts. Fourth tactic, the good cop deal. They make you feel like they're helping you. Honestly, I shouldn't do this, but I'll give you a special price. Now you feel lucky, even if the deal was always planned that way. Fifth tactic, time pressure. Offer ends today. Last unit left. Decision needed now. Time shrinks your thinking. And when thinking shrinks, you default to safety. You accept. Now here's the hidden math. Every one of these tactics does the same thing. It shifts the reference point from objective value to emotional reaction. That's the real negotiation. Not price versus price, but perception versus reality. And here's where it gets interesting, because once you see it, you can use it. You can set the anchor. You can stay silent. You can refuse artificial pressure. You can ask one simple question. Compared to what? That question breaks almost every illusion, because suddenly the other side has to justify reality, and most can't. But here's the catch. If everyone starts using these tactics, then negotiation stops being about truth entirely. It becomes a game of psychological leverage. So the real question isn't, can you win a negotiation? It's this: if everything is negotiable, what is actually worth agreeing to?